Hello friends, welcome to my channel PKMpedia. Today I will tell you about the 10 best features of Windows 10. View all open tasks at once. Suppose I have opened 3 folders like this, and a software for recording, one YouTube page, one Excel file and one zip file. Now just click on this button, and then you can see all the files or folders that you have opened in thumbnail form. Just click on the window which you want to work on, like this. Special start menu. Suppose if you want to uninstall a program, you have to go to control panel. Then you have to look for programs and features, and then a list will open, and then you will have to uninstall your program. But this is a lengthy process. Just right click on the start menu button, and then you can find all the important functions. Shake to select. Suppose you have opened too many tabs, like this folder, this YouTube page, the Excel file, or this picture manager, and you want to work only on a single tab. Just shake your tab like this, and every other tab will be minimized. Minimize all the tabs. Suppose I have opened this folder, this YouTube page, the Excel file, the Coral Visual Studio, Malwarebytes, media player, or anything else, and I want to minimize all the things. Just move your cursor here and you can find a silver line. Just click this and it will minimize all the open windows. Customized command prompt. Just open the command. By default the background is black and the text are white. Just go to the properties and you can change everything here. Like if you want to change the background color, you can change, like I'm changing it to red. Now it is red. Or you can also select any other color. You can also change the fonts also, font size or font color, anything. There is one more option to set the transparency of this page. If you decrease it, you can also see the background page. Like right now it is showing the desktop. You can work also. Partial screenshot. Suppose you are making a presentation on Noida, and you are searching for the details of Noida, like on Wikipedia, and now you want to copy something on your slides. Suppose you want to select this photo for your slide. You have to first take a screenshot of this whole page. And then you have to paste it on your slide. And now you have to crop Now you have to adjust the size, but this is a very lengthy process. Now again go to that page and just press Windows, Shift and S button. These three. And now selection cursor will appear. Just select your area that you want to copy like this, and don't do anything, just go to your slide and paste it. You can see that you have saved a lot of time. Multitasking. Suppose you want to do two works at the same time, if you want to watch a live match or anything else. For example, we can select this, for example, the live video of space from NASA, and at the same time I want to work on my Excel file also. Then you just have to click your YouTube page and just press this button, Windows and left button. So your YouTube page is now on the left side of your screen, and on the right side you can see that all the other open windows are also showing. So if you want to work on your Excel file, just click on that file, that icon. It will appear on the right side of the screen, and you can also work here. You can also see your live video, and you can also work on your Excel file. Slide to shutdown. This is a very useful option. You can save a lot of time by this option. Just go to this PC, open your C drive, and then go to the Windows folder. Now open a folder named System32. You can also search here. Just type slide to shutdown. This file. Just right click on it and create a shortcut on the desktop. Now go to the desktop and just double click on this file, on this shortcut. Now slide down and your system will be shut down. Steps recorder. This is a very useful function of Windows 10. If you don't know you or someone else is doing something wrong and you don't know what he's doing wrong, then this option is very useful. Just search for steps recorder, open it and start recording. For example, I will open this folder, example, and then I will open this file, Excel file, calculations. Now I will do the calculations and the result will be displayed. Now I'm closing this file and I have closed that folder also. Now I will delete this file. And now I have stopped the recording. Now a log file has been saved and we have to check. Now this file is showing the exact steps that I have taken. Like I just open the example folder and then I open the calculation file. Each step that I have taken is now recorded into this file. You can save this file also, and you can open this in MS Word. Cortana. It's a very useful option. If you want to search anything, you can search here. Like I'm searching for Photoshop. It's installed in my system. And if something is not installed, then it will show online results like Katia is not installed. So it is showing the website of Katia. You can also have some fun here. If you are getting bored, just type "tell me a joke" and then the Cortana will tell you a joke. The jokes will be different at different times. You can also ask for some stupid things like this: please help me. Or you can write, am I beautiful? It's not giving the answers. Am I stupid? No. So these were the 10 best features of the Windows 10. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe to my channel.